Jamaica's men's and women's squads for the upcoming Central American and Caribbean CAC Games in Santo Domingo in the Dominican Republic in hockey departed the island on Thursday. The Jamaica Hockey Federation has selected 18 women and 18 men to compete at the 14-day multidiscipline games. A 12-member technical team has also been named. Speaking with the TVJ Sports Technical Director for the contingent, Dr. Michelle Holt, is confident in the teams that will compete in Santo Domingo.
Of course, we have some youngsters in the mix, but a very, very strong team with a lot of experience from past CAC games. So very, very satisfied with the quality of the players.
The women's team will open their campaign against Cuba on Sunday, while the men's team will face Cuba in their opening match on Monday. Jamaica will also be represented among the officials, with Adrian Cross serving as an umpire and Damien Fuller appointed as a technical officer.